1. What is the main responsibility of a licensed electrical contractor? A. Inspect construction blueprints. B. Install and maintain electrical systems safely and legally. C. Sell electrical supplies. D. Design architectural layouts. 2. Before beginning electrical work, a contractor must first A. Obtain the necessary permits. B. Buy all materials. C. Begin installation. D. Hire subcontractors. 3. According to the NEC National Electrical Code, the color white or gray is typically used to identify A. Grounding conductors. B. Neutral conductors. C. Hot conductors. D. Switch legs. 4. GFCI protection is required in which of the following locations? A. Living rooms. B. Bedrooms. C. Kitchens and bathrooms. D. Hallways. 5. What tool is used to measure the current in a circuit without breaking it? A. Voltmeter. B. Clamp meter. C. Megger. D. Ohmmeter. 6. When referring to ampacity, we are talking about A. Voltage limit. B. Resistance level. C. Maximum current carrying capacity of a conductor. D. Electrical grounding techniques. 7. What does OSHA stand for? A. Organization of Safe Home Appliances. B. Occupational Safety and Health Administration. C. Office of Standard Housing Authority. D. Official Services for Home Appliances. 8. Which of the following is considered a violation of the NEC? A. Using conduit for wiring in commercial settings. B. Overloading circuits beyond rated capacity. C. Grounding metal boxes. D. Installing GFCI outlets in bathrooms. 9. What is the minimum depth requirement for burying electrical conduit under a driveway? A. 6 inches. B. 12 inches. C. 18 inches. D. 24 inches. 10. Which document certifies that installed electrical work meets code? A. Purchase order. B. Inspection report. C. Invoice. D. Blueprint. 11. The main purpose of grounding in electrical systems is to A. Save energy. B. Prevent overloads. C. Protect against electric shock. D. Power more circuits. 12. What type of fire extinguisher is used for electrical fires? A. Type A, B. Type B, C. Type C, D. Type D. 13. Electrical panels must have a clear working space of at least A. 18 inches wide. B. 24 inches deep. C. 30 inches wide and 36 inches deep. D. 48 inches wide. 14. A multimeter can be used to measure A. Only voltage. B. Only resistance. C. Voltage, current, and resistance. D. Pipe size. 15. When sizing a residential service panel, which factor is most important? A. House color. B. Square footage and anticipated load. C. Number of windows. D. Roof material. 16. Which conductor is considered hot in a standard 120V residential system? A. White. B. Green. C. Black. D. Bare copper. 17. What symbol represents a ground connection in a wiring diagram? A. A triangle. B. A line with 3 descending lines. C. A square. D. A circle. 18. The maximum number of conductors allowed in a single box depends on A. Circuit amperage. B. Box fill calculations. C. Voltage rating. D. Wire insulation color. 19. A dedicated circuit is typically used for A. Living room outlets. B. Ceiling fans. C. Major appliances like ovens or dryers. D. Table lamps. 20. According to the LEC, how often must temporary wiring on construction sites be inspected? A. Weekly. B. Monthly. C. Annually. D. Only after installation. 21. When is an arc fault circuit interrupter AFCI required? A. Only in kitchens. B. In bedrooms and living spaces. C. In garages. D. In outdoor receptacles. 22. A properly bonded system ensures A. Faster internet speed. B. Equipment and systems safety. C. Higher electrical bills. D. Less maintenance. 23. Which tool is best for bending conduit? A. Hammer. B. Conduit bender. C. Wrench. D. Cable puller. 24. Which voltage level is considered low voltage in wiring? A. 12V to 48V. B. 120V to 240V. C. 277V. D. 480V. 25. Romex cable is typically used for A. Outdoor wiring. B. Underground installations. C. Indoor residential wiring. D. Industrial installations. Licensed electrical contractor. The licensed electrical contractor exam evaluates the knowledge, skills, and safety practices required to perform electrical work legally and professionally. Candidates are tested on topics such as the National Electrical Code (NEC), wiring methods, electrical theory, safety regulations, and local building codes. The exam ensures that individuals can design, install, maintain, and repair electrical systems while protecting public safety and property. It often includes questions on load calculations, grounding, bonding, conduit installation, and applicable laws and standards. Passing the exam is a key step toward obtaining a license, allowing contractors to operate independently, pull permits, supervise jobs, and comply with state and local regulations. Here are the top 5 beneficial uses of the sample exam. 1. Ensures compliance with safety standards. Passing the exam confirms that contractors understand and can apply national and local electrical codes to keep installations safe and reliable. 2. Validates professional competency. The test proves that the individual possesses the necessary technical skills, theory knowledge, and hands-on expertise to handle a variety of electrical projects professionally. 3. Authorizes legal work and permit pulling. A license allows contractors to legally bid for jobs, pull permits, and supervise projects, offering clients confidence in complying with state and municipal requirements. 4. Enhances career and business opportunities. Being licensed increases a contractor's credibility, opening doors to higher-paying jobs, business ownership, and larger contracts. 5. Protects public safety and property. The licensing process ensures that only qualified individuals work on critical systems, minimizing risks of fire, shock hazards, and structural damage.